tonight is the night that all my friends tell me that the zombies come out of their graves. So I'm really freaked out, so I bought this shotgun. It looks weird because I painted it, and my mom doesn't know it's real, so I painted it really freaky colors. And so I'm really, really scared. So I'll go to sleep now, but I don't know if there will be zombies trying to kill me or not. I'm really, really scared. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. But people tell me that you shoot zombies in the head to kill them. Okay? Okay. Well, I'm gonna go to bed now. Okay? Good night. What the heck? Oh my gosh! This is true! Last shot. Oh no, I missed the head. Oh, I'm afraid to go past it. Oh, I'm just gonna stay back till it gets back up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm scared. Oh, I gotta go get more ammunition. Ah. People, I'm really scared. Oh my god, there's a zombie in my house. Yeah. I'm really happy and serious now. Get up. Back up. Back up. See this, people? He listens. Back up. See that? That's like a kill zombie. Peace out and subscribe. Thank you.